on, my two-wheeled friends. Out here on another motor adventure in South Dakota. I've already put on about 145 miles today. I have about 30 more to go. I'm just out here soaking up the sun and getting some wind. What's up, dude? I thought I'd take you guys along with me, kind of see some different area, see some countryside instead of town. You know, it's like 70 degrees out, so I can actually finally get out and be comfortable. I did leave the windshield off, so I don't know how much road noise I'm getting. But I thought I'd talk to you guys a little bit about what to do for motorcycle wise. You know, I think I have a problem. I think I need to go to like Motorcycles Anonymous or something. I don't know if there is such a thing, but seriously, there needs to be, because you know, I like the Honda, I like the Road King, but I'm always looking. So I don't know whether to sell the Road King that I'm on or trade it in. I really want a Road King special, like a 2017 or newer. I ideally would like a brand new one, and something I can kind of have that pride and put some money into it and customize it as my own and feel like it's my own. You know, I bought this used. It's pretty much stock. I don't want to put a lot of money into it because I know I'm not going to get it out, but I feel like I would keep the Road King special around for a while if I got one. I need the Road King. So let me say this. I would want a touring bike of some sort. I like the street glides. I like the road glides. I don't need the stereo and all that. I mean, yeah, it'd be nice, but I like to be able to see all of this and feel the wind. I have a windshield for this. If you watch some of my previous videos, you'll see that. I can put that on if I want. I know they make some fairings that are like a street glide fairing for a Road King, so when it's cold I could put it on at least, but I just really like to feel the open road, and today's a prime example. So we got like a 15-mile-an-hour south wind, and I rode pretty much 100 miles of that against that wind. Sorry, I'm distracted by this. Got Lake Poncet here. Gonna have a bunch of people out fishing here at the bridge or the inlet or whatever they call this. So I definitely want some kind of a touring bike because of adventures like this. I got the 2 bags. I can throw stuff in them. I can do an overnight trip with it. You know, whatever the case. So with the Road King, trading this in, getting a different one, that's pretty much, you know, it's pretty much a wash. The other option would be to purchase a Lowrider S. Now, I really want a black Lowrider S. Our local dealership has the Barracuda silver one, but I'd have to see if they could do a dealer trade somewhere. Just, I like the silver, but I'd really want a black one. Yummy. So that's kind of where I'm at with that. I really like that bike. You know, a day trip, that would be perfect. You know, a day like today, I could have got out and rode that bike and been perfectly fine on just solo. I really want to keep the Road King around for riding 2 up as well, so that's another thing. So the Lowrider S would be a fun bike to have, to build out. I love the looks of them. which kind of leads me into the next topic, is a Sportster 883, an Iron 883. I really want a black one. I'd really like to customize something out. If I went that route, I would definitely sell the Honda and get something like that, because even if my wife decides she wants to learn to ride, I think the 883 would be just fine for her. You know, it'd take a little throttle control and whatnot, but I think she'd be fine with it. I know the Honda would be more ideal, but I really don't have room for 3 bikes. So if I held on to the Honda for my wife to learn, maybe in a couple years, if she was comfortable, she could get, you know, a soft tail of some sort. We could go on longer rides. So I don't know, I just really don't know what to do. My problem is I need to just stay off the internet, because then I look and I'm like, ooh, there's one. You know, for example, I found a 2014 Iron 883. Thing looked pretty nice. Had fairly low miles. There's a couple things I'd probably need to take off of it, but I don't know. I'm sure it's sold by now. That was a few days ago, and I know those bikes don't stick around very long, so. But leave your comments down below. What do you guys think I should do? Should I have 3 bikes? Should I upgrade this Road King for a newer Road King? Should I put a lowrider rest in the garage? Or should I put a Iron 883 in the garage? Keep this. Once the Iron's paid off, then look at getting another Road King or something. If I'm gonna keep this, I need to do some customization. Just these 150 miles I've went, I really need some highway pegs. But if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. Be sure to click the bell so you're notified when I put out a new video. You don't want to miss any of my videos now, do you? You want to be able to ride along with me. I really like you guys riding along with me. Thanks for riding with me, guys, and until next time, peace out, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye. There's some deer. As long as they stay there, we'll run.